Good afternoon. Despite a chilly start to our day, it's a glorious autumn day out there for many. Just take a look at this Weather Watcher picture from Cumbria. The sunshine setting off the autumn colours beautifully. And I have to say there's a little more cloud around though further north and west today. Maybe a few isolated showers, but it's mostly cloudy and increasingly breezy as well here. So temperatures will struggle just a little. So the best of the sunshine looks likely to be further south. A little bit of fair weather cloud around, but temperatures should peak in the southeast of around 16 degrees. But further north and west, we're looking at 10 to 12 degrees, and the winds will start to strengthen. We could see them gusting in excess of 40 miles an hour as we go through the overnight period, with the arrival of a weather front that's going to push in from the west eventually. So that will prevent temperatures here from falling very far. Not as cold a start as the morning just passed, but we could see some chillier air and lower temperatures across the northeast of England for a time first thing tomorrow morning. Generally speaking, it's quite a quiet story, but at this time of year we start to see those autumn issues with a little bit of fog. It could be a problem as well. But that weather front will bring some rain, some of it heavy for a time and windy with it. But as it bumps into the high pressure, it weakens off substantially. So not everywhere across Scotland will see some wet weather. A band of cloud through the borders and into Northern Ireland by the end of the day. To the south of that, it's still a reasonably pleasant affair. 17 degrees the overall high and a dry story. Now it could potentially be quite a foggy start to the weekend. So first thing on Saturday morning, particularly across central and southern areas, we could see some fog. Some of those areas might see the fog lifting to low cloud, but fingers crossed it eases and breaks up and we'll see some sunshine. Some patchy rain into the far northwest of Scotland. Sheltered eastern areas of Scotland could be pretty warm, and that warmth will extend down into the southeast as well, 17 or 18 degrees. That's still above the average for this time of year. The high pressure just hangs on in there for the second part of the weekend for England and Wales, but at the same time that front will start to make inroads. So perhaps a different story for the second half of the weekend for some. There'll be rain into Scotland. That is going to move its way into the northwest of England and Northern Ireland. Not too much in the way of substantial rain. The best of the sunshine looks likely to be further south, highs of 18 degrees. That's how the weekend is looking. Enjoy.